Well, it's a point when we've stopped tightening because we've had very good news this week on the inflation front, very welcome news. We could see that inflation was coming down, but this week's news is good because it's a sign that we've had more than we expected, and that's very good. But of course the job's not done yet. We can't be complacent about this. Our job is to get inflation back down to the 2% target and to sustain it there. So the job isn't done yet, and we will of course keep on doing the job.
But many people see this now as a peak. We've seen other central banks also sort of pause their rate rise cycle. Is that the right way to look at this? The next move will be down.
No, I'm not predicting at all what that is. I can tell you that we have not had any discussion on the Monetary Policy Committee about reducing rates because that would be very, very premature. Our job is to get inflation down. As I see it, we've got a big job to do. We've got quite a long way to go yet. It's encouraging, but I'm afraid we can't be complacent. And of course, we will watch the evidence very carefully, as we always do.
Is your sense that the medicine is now working?
Yes, I think the effects of what we have done over the last, not far off 2 years now, actually, are coming through. We've used the word restrictive. What I mean by that is we can see policy having effects. We can see it, in a sense, having the effects we hoped it would. And that, of course, is reducing the inflationary pressure in the economy.
Are you worried about maybe what's happening in the oil market with fuel prices? The IMF have done a report saying, beware premature celebration. We've looked at the 1970s oil shock. That's what happened then.
Well, there's no premature celebration because we've got a long way to go. Yes, we are watching the oil market very carefully. I think that's important. We have to do that sort of thing. We also have to be very careful in the judgments we reach on it as to how permanent it's going to be, what the effects on the economy are going to be from it. So we watch it very carefully.